No. Sir, can you help me? Can you help me, sir? I don't expect you to understand, but I have my penis stuck to the soda machine. Gabriel, I'm stuck. My penis is stuck in the machine. Gabriel, help me. Help me. Oh, Gabriel! Gabriel! Oh. Sir, could you help me, sir?
This nigga dick stuck in the machine, yo.
Please, don't announce it. It's a fucking embarrassing. Can you help me instead of announcing? Well, help. Give me a hand.
Oh, he's trying to jump it. Oh, no. Stop it.
You, sir.
Don't, it's not going to come out.
Oh.
No, quit pulling on it.
I'm gonna get up. Oh, God. Push, push, God. Push. Oh, God. Oh, God. Thank you, kind people, for being here today. I never thought my wife's funeral would be filled with complete strangers. But we've outlived all our friends. I was hoping my daughter and grandson could make it, but they didn't. So, I would especially like to thank the choir and caterers and all the nice people sitting before me.